Well, hello, friends, and it's not quite afternoon yet. We're just about at the noon hour, but for those of you that have tuned in to hear the bells chime downtown, I hope that you enjoy listening to these bells. You know, my sister lived in an apartment downtown, and I was having a conversation with her just the other day, and she, for years, listened to those bells ring every day on the hour, and they were so special for her to be able to hear those bells. And she doesn't live downtown anymore, but she came downtown to do some shopping, and as she was shopping around, the bells began to chime, and she quickly grabbed her phone and she texted me, and she said, "Mark, the bells are ringing downtown. Even in a pandemic, the bells are ringing." And you know, for almost 100 years, those bells have been ringing through downtown. And one of the things, even though this year has been so strange and so much trouble has come to us in the last year, you know, one of the things that we want to do as a beacon of God's love and as a representation of this place that is an outpost for the kingdom of God is to have those bells ring downtown, even in times of trouble like a pandemic. So I'm so glad that you can come and tune in and watch live as those bells continue to ring downtown, just as they've done for 100 years and just as they'll continue to do in the future. So thank you for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy hearing these bells ring through downtown.